And welcome back to Robinhood School of Traders. So let us try to find out how Nifty is going to behave tomorrow, or what are the parameters based on which we can gauge the Nifty can be traded and how it can be traded. So let's get started. And I am saying you can earn 3,000 on daily basis, which I've been proving even for last 7-8 days. So we're earning more than this, but I'm keeping the minimum amount. One can easily earn 3,000 with an investment of only 50 to 60,000, and that too not an investment, trading. So for free demo, do call me for this. So let's see how the Nifty has won. So in order to get levels, it was getting very harsh to get the level on Nifty on daily basis. So I've taken Nifty on 4-hourly basis. On 4-hourly basis, we could say it has formed some sort of tweezer high. What is a tweezer high? When both the candle after a rally, both the candle hits some sort of, they make some sort of this kind of pattern. So it is called a tweezer top. So this is not exactly a tweezer top because this top is higher than this top. So there is one confirmation, looks identically in 4-hour chart, a tweezer top. And these are the range. So if we get a gap up, then the first range will be 23,670. This we are gunning for. And over that, if it shoots up, the headroom is very high till 23,900. In fact, people are saying, all analysts are saying 24 is on the cards. So let us see how does it fare and what are the data points based on which we can jump to the conclusion. So next is your ATR. Now the biggest question, if you see the decline in ATR, ATR is nothing but average to range. Now ATR of this particular period has come down to 210. So if you see, if the ATR comes down, that means there is this huge sign the Nifty is going to do something. It is not saying the Nifty will come down, so it can go up also. But if the ATR comes down, that means the candles are getting very, very small. If the candle gets very, very small, that is the first symptom that something is going to happen. Say example over here, see the smallest of candle over here. So and prior to this post-election also, pre-election, the 3 days were dozy. Then we got this candle, and the last we got an exit pole and we moved out. So this is the first symptom that something is going to happen. Don't get frightened by this indicator. This indicator is just showing the trend is falling. It is not saying it's a downtrend. It can either go up or it can either come down. So that is the first symptom. But it's writing on the cards. Maybe 2 to 3 days more. If it comes to the vicinity of 150, 150 is the range where last time it was 140. 140 to 150 is the range in ATR where the Nifty spurts blast in either side. So maybe we are waiting for 1 or 2 sessions. So there can be blast in either side in Nifty. Okay, the next point, the good news is FI have pumped out and DI have pumped out. So it has been almost a 4,000 crore pumping in the money. So there's something is a very good thing. So tomorrow we can expect a upsurge in the move. So if there's an upsurge, we'll take it next slide. How much can we gain? And yes, it has come down. Your VIX has come down. The VIX has come down considerably. Nifty, and that's a good sign. If VIX coming down, that is something very good news. So Nifty VIX has come down. The fear factor has gone. People are willing to put more invest. So one can be cautious at this range also. Generally, the last time when Nifty reversed, the VIX was the vicinity of 10.5. So this is again a symptoms. Okay, if you see what is the if you see the option chain over here, this is we are sitting over here. So if there is a gap up tomorrow, so these people will move out, and then our headroom goes up to 23,700 as shown in the graph. If there's a gap down, then we have a huge support at 23,500. So Nifty as of now is simply buy on dips. This is the first chart we are saying. If you see the option change, so people have moved out. They are saying 23,500 is a great support. And over here you can see this is the call change in option change. So 23,600 will be acting as a huge hurdle. Looking at the data, if we get a gap up of say 100 points, and suppose Nifty opens at 23,650, then these all call writers will move out. So then we'll get a huge, the acceleration will be great. So one can make good money in 15 to 20 minutes of chart, initial 50, there's a gap up or gap down. So this is the two things we can make in the Nifty tomorrow. Okay, then followed by what is the put call ratio? Put call ratio has come down. Yesterday it was 1.4. So put call ratio is not in the higher side. We generally say a 1.4 and 1.4 to 0.8, where the Nifty is gives a reversal signal. So it is somewhere sitting in between. So it has cooled off. It has really cooled off. So there's high likelihood the Nifty should go up from here. Okay, so that is it. So we can trade Nifty by looking at this with the main factor why we are positive over here is this FI and DI putting up more money in the cash market. So obviously they have sold in options also. So that is also not a good sign. They have moved out. So they are making some sort of hedging position in the Nifty. So any move upside, we can see somewhere between 23,700, and if the rally sustains, we are headed toward 24,800, and we have a very strong support at 23,500. If it fizzles out, then the main support will come over here 23,400 kind of thing. So these are the levels. If we can trade the levels, we can pull out money. Bye.